seconds and you're airborne. It's very exhilarating.
Think about having a helmet. You know, if you're a parent of an 18-year-old kid and you've seen your kid with the virtual reality thing on playing a game and he's moving around and stuff, we take that same technology in this airplane and apply it to weapon systems. So when the pilot turns his head, his sensors go with him. It's definitely worth it. The airplane is going to bring a different way of looking at strike warfare, air warfare, and even surface warfare, the whole gamut. And we have yet to explore some of the concepts that we're going to use with this airplane because of the capabilities it has. Maybe you were in an A6, and that was 20, 25 years ago. And you're worried about trying to get a rear quarter shot on somebody. That's not what this airplane's about. But if I do get to that position, how am I going to counter it? And it might not be by getting to the guy 6 o'clock. It might be turning my head and shooting the guy. And I haven't even moved my airplane.
So far, it's, the performance is great. The mission systems, the weapons, everything's, working as designed so far.